It's your body.
One more. 5, 6, 7.
It's your body where you give me the
Alright, what's up everybody? Today,
Hello.
we are gonna make Japanese food.
From scratch.
Yeah, we're gonna show you how to make it and enjoy. Let's go! Matching Crocs.
So we have Crocs together. Let's go.
Ate Nel, say hi! Uy, huwag ka ma-YouTube si Ate Nel.
Really?
She has 1K subscribers.
Wow.
Magsa-start pa lang kami, te.
I'm so fat. Okay, so for today, this is all that we have. So we have beef, sukiyaki, thinly sliced
Yeah.
because you want it tender, Japanese soy sauce, kikoman. Instead of mirin, I'm just gonna use cooking sake. And then we have fat and chunky white onions, and then sugar. At this point, I'm sure you guys have an idea of what we're gonna cook, pero you gotta wait and see. Okay, what are you doing?
I am putting the beef to sleep. Diba? I'm making a bed of beef. I actually don't know what we're gonna make.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna eat it na. Halik.
Taste it! No, not me.
One like this.
You lang.
Dali.
You lang.
One.
Okay. Go!
Kinakain to.
Hindi, babe. Kung pakita mo.
Pang salad nga eh. Sabi tayo. Let's go. One.
Sige.
Onion challenge. 1,
Go!
2, 3.
We're both cheating with the fight. Binalik lang. Okay, balik lang.
Alright, let's go. Let's turn on the fire and let's start cooking. Just put oil.
Uh-huh.
Not so
That's a
much.
lot.
Not so much. That's a lot. First thing you want to put is the onions. This is a big ano ah. Chopping board ah.
Sige na.
Laki naman itong chopping board.
Bigat.
Ligat. Ouch. Parang so sweaty. Damn.
You're not sweaty?
I'm not. So we put in water.
Water!
Okay, put this in.
Huh? Everything? Oh my god, we're making so good.
Go. Go.
More pa?
Ano? Okay, so next thing we're gonna put, since we don't have mirin, we're gonna add cooking sake. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drizzle it over. Tansya-tansya lang kami dito, guys. Okay, so just so you know, that one's alcoholic.
So alam niyo na, mga lit dyan.
So, taste it, me first. Not yet. Next thing you wanna add, salt.
Babe, that's sugar ah.
Yeah?
Ang dami. Can you smell? Looks like beef steak.
Gonna cut it. Jonah's gonna add the meat.
Can I use my hands? Oh my God! Ayun na siya. Naluluto na siya. Ang bilis ah. Oh, that was easy.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just cook this and we'll be back.
Doing super good.
Look at that.
I made all of this.
Yes.
Can you tell what it is na?
Can you tell? You wanna taste it?
Starts with a letter.
Okay, guys, we're done. See for yourself. Ta-da! So, guess yon. Letter A.
A. Sukiyaki.
B. Gyudon.
And C.
Beefsteak.
What is it? Ting, 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 ting.
Man.
It is gyudon.
On the beach. How beautiful that looks. Okay, we're gonna try to plate it. So, the egg broke, but that's how it's supposed to look like. So you have rice at the bottom, then there's like gyudon sauce and
An egg.
it
Thanks, babe.
does. Thank you for cooking. Welcome to
The Ed and Jana cooking
EDD
show.
JANA show. Let's eat.
Kauna ta.
Hey, taste test.
So good.
You like it?
Yes,
Pasado
super.
na. So if
Sad as fuck.
you're gonna rate it from 1 to 10,
Probably
I'd
an
say-
11. So good.
it's because it's so easy to make also.
It's so easy to make. And it's so expensive in stores, but you can just make it for like... How much did you spend kanina, babe?
Less than 1,000
Yeah,
for
less
a lot of people already.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da! Okay, enjoy your food. Bye.
Ready? What's up, everybody? Okay, so today we're gonna make
Japanese food.
Japanese food.
You guys figure out what's...
Yeah, guess by the
Cooking.
end. We're gonna show you how to do it and yeah, have fun. The guards in our house love him so much, so
They
he's
let
able
me
to go
in.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, let's start.
we'll see you guys in a bit.
Okay, game. Are we gonna break the whole